Hello my dear friends, this is Dr. Sadam and welcome back to Radiant Clicks Lifestyle channel. Today I am going to discuss you about one interesting and dangerous topic called highway hypnosis. What is highway hypnosis and why it is dangerous? Why I said that it is very dangerous in your lifestyle. So what are the tips that we can get rid of this highway hypnosis? These are the main points that I am going to discuss with you today. Highway hypnosis is a state of mind which is experienced by a car driver or a truck driver while driving over long distances. This phenomenon happens only on extremely smooth and traffic-free roads. The driver feels like sleeping with eyes wide open while operating the vehicle and the accelerator. It can lead to high-speed accidents and it is the reason behind many such accidents in all our highways. Now I will brief you about why the highway hypnosis is so dangerous and how it is happening in our brain. The brain is a complex thing, and while driving over long distances, the brain takes over the things like steering. And without any traffic on the road, the brain does not actively participate in controlling the steering and accelerator. The comfortable seat of car, quiet environment, a favorite song in the background and monotonous road without a corner makes the brain go into a trance-like effect. It can go on for hours or minutes depending on the road. Whenever a person experiences highway hypnosis, the active brain starts to slow down and automates the processes. It is like the non-decision making part of the brain is controlling the steering wheel, the accelerator and the whole car. It can lead to high-speed accidents because of delayed reactions. By the time one comes back to the normal consciousness, and the driver may just freeze or fail to act in time. NHAI, the National Highway Authority of India, conducted several studies on NH2 which passes through the West Bengal on the same. The study revealed that about 60% of the accidents caused on the newly made highways, and the reason behind them is highway hypnosis. The study was done few years back, but still it is a wake-up call for all the drivers and motorcyclists in the country. Now I will brief you about some of the tips that you can break the highway hypnosis process that which is happening in your brain. The first point is taking breaks. Take frequent breaks on the highway when you are driving for a long time. A break every 90 minutes will keep your concentration level high and will keep you alert on the road. The second point is avoid driving in the graveyard hours. What is graveyard hours? All of our brain have some diurnal rhythm which is already set by our lifestyle. Graveyard hours is the hours when the body is used to sleep. Driving in such hours can make you fall asleep on the wheel easily. The third point is take a short nap. The trend that I have seen in most of the drivers, they used to drink highly caffeinated products like Red Bull, and it will make you feel less tired. But once the caffeine effects goes away, the body becomes dehydrated and feels more tired. And the fourth point is make yourself uncomfortable. If you are feeling sleepy, stop the car on the side and sleep. If you cannot do that, turn off the AC, crack open the windows and make yourself uncomfortable. The body cannot fall asleep easily when uncomfortable. The last and effective tip: if you think the roads are becoming bored and monotonous, pull over, park the car, play a game, walk around or check your social media platforms. It will actually bring your attention back to the road in a snap. Hope you guys enjoy my video. If you think this is informational and beneficial to your friends, please do share with your friends and your family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.